Set gently at the edge of a native forest in rural José Ignacio, Uruguay, the Luanda House by Fábrica de Casas appears not as an intrusion, but as a mature whisper on the landscape. Crafted with respect for nature and simplicity, this wooden retreat offers a quiet dialogue between the built and the wild. The home unfolds as a simple timber box nestled into the landscape, its lapacho-clad walls gradually weathering as they age. Elevated slightly above ground, it feels both anchored and light, like a natural artifact that integrates into the rural setting. Embracing low-impact architecture, the house is designed for minimal disturbance. Its modest footprint and wooden construction, chosen for natural aging and minimal maintenance, reflect a deliberate pursuit of building lightly with respect for terrain and memory. Inside, the layout is compact and functional. A shared open zone integrates living, dining, and cooking, 2 serene bedrooms, and a modest bathroom. The house functions as retreat and refuge while maintaining constant visual and spatial ties to the landscape. With dual orientation toward north and south, the design balances light and shade. Generous openings invite soft daylight while fostering natural air circulation, allowing occupants to feel in continuous, gentle contact with their surroundings. Lapacho wood forms the outer skin, chosen for its natural weathering and low-maintenance quality. Inside, materials were left in their authentic state, allowing texture and warmth to arise quietly over time. Inside, the home feels quiet, honest, and lived. Surfaces and finishes are unadorned, emphasizing material presence and depth. Light filters in gently, refracting across wooden floors and lending each corner a sense of repose and groundedness. Rather than dominate, the house sits quietly at the forest's edge, like a lapacho seed nestled in native soil. Its aging facade will mirror the changing landscape, blending into its context over years and seasons. The Luanda House offers more than shelter. It offers reflection, rootedness, and continuity. A retreat crafted with care, it stands as quiet testament to architecture in harmony with land, time, and memory.